Richard with the Praise Dance Life, and I want to encourage you to use scarves in your worship dance and in your choreography. The colors that you use for your scarves say a lot of things about worship. White says purity, redemption, heaven, holiness, all those wonderful things that you can add to your dance. But I want to caution you, when you use your scarf, make sure it's part of your movement and part of your dance. And not just extremely where your core, your trunk is still, and then you're doing this. It's not exciting, and it doesn't add to your dance. In fact, it'll take away and be distracting. So I want you to make sure when you use your scarves that you make it a part of your arm, a part of your body, and you add an addition to it, and not just an happenstance extra extremity. Well, watch and enjoy some of the things that I do with this white scarf and a red scarf that I'll do in a moment. Okay, now you can just let it play.